All right, so Scotland round 2. This is like day 4. Switching gears, wildlife today. So we're over kind of in the southeast area of Scotland now, and we're like outside of Perth, and I met up with my favorite wildlifing YouTuber, Espen Helen. So if you guys don't know who he is, you need to go check out his channel if you like wildlife, because he's incredible. I don't know where he went though. He disappeared. He's incredibly sneaky. So we're at this incredible river and we're looking for dippers. And this is pretty cool to me because I don't have dippers in New Mexico. I saw one once, an American dipper in Colorado, and that's about it. So we're gonna start here. I'm not gonna vlog much here. I'm gonna concentrate on getting some footage and getting some birds first. And I'll film some stuff with this, but then this afternoon we're gonna head to the cliffs. So I wanna get some seabirds, and I'm looking for gannets and razorbills there. So let's see what we get over here. There he is. Look how sneaky he is. I didn't bring any of my camo or anything, so I'm kind of sticking out. Remember what I said about Scottish weather? It's very Scottish outside today. How did we say it? I already forgot. Fowlshoek. I tried to say it Fowlslew because that's how it looks like where it's spelled. That's where we're at, is the Fowlshoek Cliffs Nature Reserve, and the very nice lady at the bed and breakfast that I'm staying at corrected me very nicely. So, Fowlshoek. So Espen's brought me out here to check out razorbills and, wait, what kind of gulls are those?
Kittiwake and had some fulmar.
Don't say seagulls around birders. There's gulls here. And we saw 4 puffins. I was really hoping to see puffins, which is surprising because if you look behind me, you can't see anything. That way, there's cliffs and water and deathiness. But there's birds like right there. Like, right. Look, can you see? Right there, I see them. Razorbills are probably the coolest looking birds. Like, they're highly underrated, I think. People always dismiss them, especially when puffins are around, but man, razorbills are, and that one's flat. I just spent 5 minutes waiting for him to do that, and then he does it as soon as I'm vlogging. That's a nice touch. So we're gonna walk around here. I'm not gonna vlog too much because my shoulder's still completely effed up. Traveling isn't helping, and holding these giant cameras isn't helping. But we're gonna walk around here. I'm gonna get a lot of B-roll because this may not be so great for photos, like professional quality photos right now, but holy hell is this amazing for just like cinematic mood. So I'm gonna do the best I can to capture that. Camera lady's not here. They went back after dinner and they're taking a nap. So I'm gonna try to do the best I can, get some B-roll. This place is amazing. This video might just be like mostly B-roll because that's what Scotland is good for, is B-roll. But I did get a couple of shots that I'm pretty happy with. Trying to get some unique, moody photos because otherwise it would be kind of depressing because we can't see anything. But man, it's making for cool videos. All right, well, back to the car. Didn't want to talk and vlog. It's kind of deathy out there with the cliffs and everything, but wow, this was like, it was a bummer because you couldn't see anything, but I think the mood, you know, and I didn't, like shooting through mist is just like, nothing is going to be super sharp or super clear, but you know, I'm totally happy with what I just saw because like the mood and the feeling, it's just incredible. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to show that or if I did show that properly on video, but just know that like my mind is blown and I couldn't even see anything. So I'm dying to come back here when I can see something. I'm going to come back in the morning, and it's supposed to be like this again tomorrow. It's supposed to rain, but I'm going to come back in the morning and see if I can beat it and see if any of this clears off a little bit. So if I get anything from tomorrow, then you'll be seeing it.
back at home, back in the desert, made it home. It's been actually a couple of weeks since I was in Scotland, but I needed some serious R&R time after that. So unfortunately, this is the last Scotland video this time around. I had definitely planned on doing more videos than this, at least 2 more. But the entire trip just did not go as planned at all. Kind of everything that possibly could go wrong went wrong. But I think I'm going to save that for a channel members video just because it's just not something I really want to talk about right now. But I will say that, you know, maintaining a positive attitude really was the best thing I could have done and can still do. And I certainly don't regret it. It was amazing. Scotland itself is amazing. The land, the wildlife, the culture. That's why we went there, and we got plenty of it, even though our plans got completely wrecked. What we did end up seeing and experiencing was just phenomenal. So this was definitely kind of a work vacation mix. But for the work part of it, we went out there to scout for a potential workshop. And I think I got enough dialed in. It's definitely changed a little bit from what I'd originally planned for the workshop, but I think that I got enough of what I need and, you know, feet on the ground and research and all of that stuff to pull off something a little unique. It's going to be different from some of my other workshops. So this one is going to be focused a lot more on wildlife, but also landscape. So if you like either one of those, this one's going to be focused on the east coast of Scotland and the dramatic cliffs, all of these beautiful birds, the sea colonies, the castles and the landscapes that are just everywhere out here. And all of this information will be available on my workshop page with details about everything as soon as I get that up. So you can check back for that and then sign up for the newsletter. I'll let you know through the newsletter when everything is official and when I'll start taking actual deposits and payments and all of that stuff. And if nothing else, I hope you enjoyed the couple of videos that I was able to do. I am kind of bummed that I didn't get to do more videos or do anything that I really planned. But I'm really happy with the stuff that I did do and the things that I filmed and photographed. And like I said in the previous video, mostly I'm just stoked for the memories that I made for myself and my family while we were there. And I think that's kind of the most important thing, even though this was partly for work. I think none of that's going to matter in the future to me. It's only going to matter when I see these images and when I rewatch these vlogs and everything, and I just have those memories to look back on. And that's another reason why, you know, I'm so excited about the workshop, is because I want you guys to be able to experience that too. And if I can help make that happen, then that's going to make me really happy. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up here. I got a lot of work to do. I still have a ton of images to edit from this video and from this, you know, from the seabirds and stuff. So I'm going to get that done. Huge thanks for you if you stuck around this far. I really appreciate it. I might try to put up some extra content from the behind the scenes stuff over on the channel memberships, do the channel memberships video section. So if you want to support the channel and you're into that kind of thing and you want to see some extra content, then go check out the channel memberships. That's probably the hugest way that, you know, aside from liking, commenting, all of that, all of that just helps the channel, helps me do this like so much. And I really appreciate everyone who's already in the community and doing that kind of stuff, and you guys just for watching the video in general. So check those out if you're interested. Hit that like button for me, and I will see you in the next one here pretty soon, back in the desert, with some surprising weather and deserty things that I wasn't really expecting right now. Hopefully that'll be coming soon. I'll see you later.